Welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Mia Bhai. Welcome to another video of my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about how to change alarm ringtone on Android mobile. So friends, without wasting your time, go to the alarm. Now you are seeing that alarm. Now click on it. Now there are option ringtone. You are seeing the default ringtones. You can change here from any ringtone as you wish, as you want. If you want another ringtones that has in your mobile phone, so click on select from files. These ringtones are in your memory phone. You can select from these and also select from the default ringtones as you want, as you wish. So there is a little information how to change alarm ringtone on Android mobile. I think that you will like the video. Thank you very much. See you again in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself.